To transfer money using a standard bank app, start by downloading and installing the app from the Google Store or App Store. Log into the app using your credentials. Then click on the money payment option, typically located at the bottom right side of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon and enter the recipient's name, selecting the country they are in and confirming the currency of the payment. You will then need to select the account type, enter the recipient's account number or IBAN, and choose the bank code type, followed by a valid SWIFT or sort code. A reference for both you and the recipient will be required, so choose a suitable one and tap Next. Proceed by selecting the account you wish to make the payment from and entering the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details by clicking the Review option at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Confirm. A security code will be generated, which you must enter to confirm the transaction. Once the payment has been processed, you will receive a confirmation message. Tap Done, and the transfer is complete. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using a standard bank app.